In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. If you want to change your photo, go back, click on the plus again, and tap on it. Now adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. If you want to manage any of those themes, go back to the same settings and access them here. You can click on it and tap on this delete button at the top right corner to get rid of it. Or tap on it and in case of custom themes, use this pen next to bin and make any changes you like. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!